Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Bluetooth speakerphone Luna Lite. It is, for example, computer speakers with microphone, voice AI, noise cancelling, USB speakerphone, and is possible with daisy chain. It's a conference microphone, a 360 degrees voice pickup for 8 people for Skype or other apps, and it's for business. Yeah, home office rules. And of course, if you have a business meeting, you can use that with all guys in your company. And you can make a safety area with it, no problem. This device will get your speech, no problem. It's an updated artificial intelligent noise reduction algorithm, which the smarter VoiceIA algorithm, the eMeet Luna Lite Bluetooth speakerphones features exclusive updated artificial intelligent noise reduction mode to create a better noise reduction experience. It's eliminating background noises such as air conditioning noise, keyboard clicks, and chair pulling sounds. The Luna Lite Bluetooth speaker with microphone pick up the voice more clearly. Whenever in an available space or larger conference room, attendees can enjoy the live communication. And we can gain this device up with daisy chain function, descading up to 2 Luna Lite Bluetooth speakerphones, allowing up to 12 attendees. Different from the traditional conference speakers, the Luna Lite USB speakerphones could flexibly stand alone for our personal office or a small group meeting. With the cascading function, the Luna Lite can support the medium and large meetings as well. The Luna Lite conference speakers is an ideal work companion and meet our multiple needs. Of course, if you have 2 of them, the daisy chain cable needs to be purchased separately, okay? But if you have this Luna speech microphone alone, it's no problem. You can make meetings up to 10 people with it. Oh yeah, because it comes with a 360 microphone and enhanced speakers. The eMeet Luna Lite Bluetooth speakerphone has multiple built-in artificial intelligent microphones to pick up voice anywhere in our workspace. The Luna Lite USB speakerphone provides the high quality audio performance and makes our telephone conferences more like a face-to-face conversation. With the audio vocal increase function, the speaker with microphone can identify the distance of the sound and adjust the volume automatically, providing a smooth and clear call experience to us. And it comes with a really easy setup and general compatibility. These speakerphones is compatible with multiple devices and operation system like Windows or Macintosh operation system without drivers to install. You can use your tablet, your smartphone with it, no prob. This Luna Lite is just plug and play. The eMeet Luna Lite conference speakers could be connected with USB, Bluetooth or aux. And this speaker and microphone is also compatible with commonly used calling software like Zoom, Skype, for business, WebEx, etc. And with a portable size. Yeah, intimate design, compact and portable design makes it easy to carry the eMeet Luna Lite Bluetooth speakerphone to anywhere. And the Luna Lite conference speakers added some intimate design, including rechargeable battery, providing 15 hours of continuous talk time to meet our needs in our business trip. In addition, the Bluetooth function can be turned off at any time to prevent connection interface when we are going to use the USB connection. The eMeet Luna Luna is the moon, and it looks like a little bit like a moon. Why do people need an eMeet speakerphone during this period of home office? Oh, yes. Although it's originally developed and designed for use in conference scenarios, getting more people involved in meeting rooms. As the eMeet slogan says, make conference simple. In actual use, the eMeet conference speakerphones not only can be applied to the conference room of the office building, providing more people with high-quality remote conference services, offering the clear voice quality in noise environments like a coffee or the business district, but also be a good solution for working at home. If we are sitting in front of our computer too long, we want to stand up and move in the room during the meeting, but we are so afraid to miss the moment that we need to speak. Do we have a long-term wearing Bluetooth headsets leads to hearing fatigue? These professional speakerphones are always devoted to helping us realizing long distance pick up and high quality calls. And if you like, you can gain it up with daisy chain. The cascading function makes the Luna Lite more flexible and can easily carry out in both the small meetings that have under 8 attendees and the medium meetings with up to 12 participants. And we have an omnidirectional microphones built in. It is equipped with multiple artificial intelligence microphones to pick up the voice anywhere in our room or in our workspace, in our office or home office. With the auto vocal increase function, the Luna Lite can identify the distance of the voice and adjust the volume automatically. This is Smart Office. And it's big and awesome strong compatibility. It's compatible with commonly used calling software like Skype, FaceTime, Zoom, Skype for Business, WebEx, GoToMeeting, etc. Everything is possible. And we have a multiple connection mode, USB, Bluetooth, aux connection for all our choice to contact the eMeet Luna Lite speakerphones with our devices. Luna Lite connected with Windows or Macintosh computers. Extreme easy setup. And it's available for open space. With a smarter voice artificial intelligent algorithm, the Luna Lite Bluetooth speakers eliminate the background noises and create a better noise reduction experience. And we have not so much buttons on it. We have a powerful functions with not so much keys of the best calling experience. We have a noise reduction and artificial intelligence knob. We have an off and on button. We have an end call button, volume up, volume down, a mic mute button or unmute, a Bluetooth button and power on and off button. LED status indicators are give us information how much is the volume level and is the AI function on or off, etc., etc., etc. Then we have an USB port, an aux out and link, and a lock area and an aux in. That's all, and that's enough for business trips, for group meetings, for online classes. Convenient to carry out, no problem, and it's ideal for home office. And we can share it with our family. There is so much where you can use these Bluetooth speakerphones. These are the Luna Lite computer speakers with microphone, voice artificial intelligent noise cancelling, and USB speakerphone. And it's possible to use the daisy chain. It's a conference microphone with 360 degrees voice pickup for 8 people and more for Skype and business. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.